this unit has triangle symmetry that you need for those spheres, and you start with 9 magnets. Double ring, then make 3 bows of 6, in total 21. Then on the other side just follow the magnetism. Now you have 2 on top of 1 here, on the other side 1 on top of 2. Now push this inward, so here you get 2 on top of 1. Now this was 1 on top of 2, so readjust it to get again 1 on top of 2. Push this inward to get 2 on top of 1. Now you have 2, 1, 2 here, so this must be 1, 2, 1. Readjust this to get 1 on top of 2, and this must be readjusted to get 1 on top of 2. Now push those inward. Then the back. Open this up when necessary. And this is the unit. Oh, this one needs to be reopened. Now on both sides you get 2 on top of 1 in triangle position and 1 on top of 2 the other triangle. And on the other side, here is 1 on top of 2, you get 2 on top of 1. Now see if these are matching. Yes, this is correct match. It's not matching, so turn it over. Now here you have 2 pairs of 2 magnets that match with those 2 pairs. This is a really nice fit. You get a little square connection there, here as well. And this over here is how to join 2 spheres. Those spheres need some fortification inside to make it take 5 rings of 6 and also 5 rings of 12. Here you have 6 rings of 9 on top of a unit. Just check polarity. When you get this match, then that means this hexagon on the back must be removed. Now split this in half. Join these hexagons. Now place a ring of 9 on top. So that the point is facing this way. You can join this one, but first place another ring of 9. Same polarity. rotate it a little and start building there, so that the point of this triangular shape does not match with the points of those. You can join this. Just check polarity. That means on this side you need that stack of 9 rings, 6 rings of 9. This is a little tight. A dodecahedron has 20 corners or vertices, and when you place a star on each corner you get this sphere, whereas if you place a star on each edge, there are 30 of those, then you get this larger sphere. Now those units are slightly different. Instead of with 9 for that one, you start with a circle of 10. Now take 8 magnets to form a bow. Then join another 7. Join another 7, so that's 22 in total. Then on the other side just follow the magnetism. Now adjust this a little bit, get one on top of here, make this symmetrical. Now you can push this one up. Now push this down a little bit. So here you have 1 on top of 2, 1 on top of 2, and over here you want 2 on top of 1. And push this inside so you get 2 on top of 1 there. Have to adjust this a little to get 1 on top of 2 again. This has to be 2 on top of 1 here. Then push this inside, open this up. So now you get 1 on top of 2, at the bottom 1 on top of 2, and on the other sides 2 on top of 1. Here you have 2 on top of 1, 2 on top of 1, and 1 on top of 2, 1, 1 and 1. So 4 times 1 on 2. Now check if the polarity is correct. Okay, this is correct. Now the long direction, here you can see there is 1 there, so this is the outside. 1 on top of 2 on the outside in the long direction goes in between 2 pentagons, so this must be like this. join it there. This is a unit with rectangle symmetry for the large sphere. Now suppose that it is not matching with the other units, then you have to change it. Now here you have 2 times 1 on top of 2, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 on top of 1. Now this must be changed to 1 on top of 2. So you get 2 times 1 on 2. Now here you have 2 times 2 on top of 1. So this will be the new top down. And this one still needs to be changed. So now you have 4 times 1 on top of 2. And that is how to change the polarity from the unit.